Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. Today we're creating something that is gonna sound a bit odd, but it is so good. If you love the flavor of coffee, you are gonna love this dessert. It is a high protein dessert that almost tastes like a cappuccino. Once we're done with it and we're gonna elevate it with some chocolate on top as an elevated dessert. You could actually have this for breakfast as well. I'm not kidding, right? Because it is very minimal ingredients. The one thing that you may not have on hand that you may want to grab is gelatin powder. So I'm using this, which is the Organika gelatin powder. You guys can use any gelatin powder that you like. Because I'm using loose gelatin powder, you're gonna need 7 grams for every 1 cup of liquid. If you buy the packets, guys, each packet is about 7 grams. So 1 packet for every 1 cup of liquid. We are going to need a good quality high protein yogurt, just plain, but guys, you can really play around with this recipe. Once I give you the ratios of liquid to gelatin to yogurt, you guys can do anything you want. Choose any liquid, any sweetener, use your gelatin, and then use whatever yogurt you want, and you can make whatever concoction that you love. I love coffee. I love the flavor of coffee. I love coffee desserts. I love coffee ice cream. I love coffee gelato. That was kind of my inspiration on this one. So I hope you guys really love this. I love it, and I'm going to make this over and over again. I had a couple taste testers, and they absolutely went crazy for it. So I was so happy about that. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. So let's learn how to make this really delicious, high protein, creamy coffee jello. This creamy jello makes 4 servings. So I'm gonna grab 4 really pretty glasses to pour the jello in. I'm gonna set that aside. Let's go over the ingredients for the recipe. We will need 1 tablespoon of espresso powder, or any instant coffee will do. 1 cup of milk, any milk, this is soy milk. 2 cups of plain Greek yogurt, any one you like. 1/3 cup of sugar, you can use any type of sugar or even less. 7 grams of gelatin powder, or 1 packet of gelatin. This is the gelatin powder that I'm using. It's the Bovine gelatin from Organika. I'll leave the information in the description box. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, good quality, and a pinch of salt. So to make a creamy jello of any type, of any flavor, you'll need 1 cup of liquid, milk, juice, etc., 1/4 cup to 1/3 cup of sweetener of choice, 7 grams of gelatin powder, and 2 cups of Greek yogurt. So we're going to add our sauce pot to our heat, and we're going to pour our milk. We're going to add our sugar, our gelatin powder, I'm going to add the vanilla now. It's, again, 1 teaspoon, pinch of salt. I'm just going to give this a quick stir before I add my coffee. And I'm going to add my 1 tablespoon of espresso powder. You can decrease that if you like. I did make this with 1/2 tablespoon a few weeks ago, and I found that I could have used more. So that's why I went with the tablespoon. We are going to just stir everything to dissolve the sugar and dissolve the espresso powder, and we want to bring this to a simmer. And you can see some light bubble action, and we're good. So you can turn off the heat, and we're going to let that cool for about 3 minutes before we add it to our Greek yogurt. I'm just going to pour it into our large measuring cup. I just find this easier to pour into my glasses, and we're just going to mix everything until everything is nicely incorporated. It'll take about a minute or so. And once that is nicely incorporated, we are going to pour into our glasses. And I like to pour almost close to the top, so then I have a little bit of room to add my chocolate. We are now going to refrigerate this for a minimum of 3 hours. It's usually about 3 or 4 before it sets up. And this is after 4 hours. As you can see, it is definitely set. And I love to add some shaved chocolate on top, but you can also do cocoa powder, whatever you like. This just gave me kind of a cappuccino kind of vibe. You could also do a little whipped cream on top if you like. Enjoy this incredible creamy coffee jello. Approximately 160 calories with over 16 grams of protein. This is now one of my favorite all-time desserts. Let me know what you come up with. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try this creamy coffee jello, let me know in the comments below. If you are inspired and you are gonna try some different flavor combinations based on the ratios that I gave you, let me know what you come up with. So thank you guys so much for watching, and happy baking.